In the heart of Europe, between the Alps and the Adriatic Sea, lies Slovenia, a small country bursting with natural beauty. This is a land painted in vibrant greens where every mountain, river and forest tells a story. Our claymation adventure brings Slovenia to life, sculpting its rolling hills and turquoise rivers in miniature. In a single day, you can stand atop a snowy mountain and dip your toes in the sea. This is an invitation to see Slovenia as a living, breathing work of art. The adventure begins now. Our journey ascends into the Julian Alps, where jagged limestone peaks dominate the skyline. In clay, these mountains come alive. Sharp ridges, deep valleys, and handcrafted chamois leap across ledges. Descending, we enter Slovenia's vast forests. Over half the country is covered in trees. Each clay tree, from beech to pine, stands in a lush, mossy world dotted with wildflowers and mushrooms. Life thrives here. A brown bear lumbers through the undergrowth, deer drink from streams, and red squirrels dart up oaks. These forests are a bustling community, the lungs of the country, and a sanctuary for countless species. Rivers like the Emerald Socha flow from the mountains, sculpted in vibrant clay, rushing over white stones. Tiny kayaks navigate gentle rapids, and marble trout swim beneath the surface. These rivers connect mountains to lowlands, providing water, power, and life. In Slovenia, every landscape is alive, every detail, celebration of nature. Our claymation journey captures this wild, magical world. Let's keep exploring. Some places seem straight out of a fairy tale, like Lake Bled. Our claymation captures its blue waters, island church, and cliffside castle, with tiny pletna boats gliding across the lake. Beyond Bled rises Mount Triglav, Slovenia's highest peak and national symbol, sculpted in rock and snow. Triglav National Park surrounds it, a wilderness of gorges, pastures, and crystal lakes. From the heights, we descend underground to the Postojna cave system. A clay train winds through vast caverns of stalactites and stalagmites, colored by minerals. Deep inside, we meet the Olm, a blind, pale amphibian, a marvel of evolution thriving in darkness. Exploring Postojna is like visiting another planet, revealing hidden worlds beneath Slovenia's surface. These wonders remind us of the country's extraordinary beauty above and below ground. The adventure continues. Beyond the famous sights, Slovenia's true spirit lives in its hidden corners. Our claymation takes us to the Logar Valley, a glacial masterpiece with farmhouses and the Rinka waterfall. We wander through Škofja Loka's medieval streets and Goč's labyrinth of ancient wine cellars. These villages are living museums, preserving centuries-old traditions. Nature's secrets await too. Lake Črnica appears and disappears, a magical transformation sculpted in blue clay. At Zelenci Nature Reserve, emerald waters bubble up, pure and untouched. These hidden gems offer quiet moments of discovery: a lone hiker on a misty ridge, a deserted waterfall, a chapel on a hilltop. The joy of Slovenia is in finding your own special places, far from the crowds. Our claymation journey celebrates these quiet corners, the soul of Slovenia. Adventure is about looking closer, and here, every detail rewards curiosity. Let's keep searching for wonder. Slovenia's heart beats in its people and their traditions. In clay, we see farmers tending hayracks, families sharing meals, and hikers exploring the wild. Ancient customs thrive, like the Kurentovanje festival, where costumed figures dance to chase away winter and welcome spring. Craftsmanship flourishes. Beekeepers paint hive panels, and women weave delicate Idrija lace. These crafts are legacies, passed down through generations. Music and dance fill the air. Accordion bands play, couples twirl in folk costumes, and songs tell stories of love and nature. Through these traditions, Slovenians celebrate their roots and share their spirit with the world. Our claymation brings these vibrant moments to life. In Slovenia, culture and nature are deeply intertwined. The story of the land is written in its people. To know Slovenia, you must taste it. Our claymation kitchen is alive with tradition. Grandmothers roll out strukli dumplings filled with cheese, tarragon, or walnuts. In the karst, pršut hams hang in cellars, aging to perfection. In Prekmurje, layered gibanica cake celebrates the region's bounty. Markets overflow with cherries, berries, mushrooms, and golden honey from the native Carniolan bee. Beekeeping is a proud tradition, and honey flavors many dishes. Vineyards stretch across hills. Tiny figures harvest grapes for crisp whites and bold reds. Wine is a part of every meal, a toast to family and friends. Slovenian cuisine is simple, hearty, and made with love. Every bite is a taste of the land itself. Our claymation journey through Slovenia comes to an end, but its message endures. We've seen how every part of this green country is connected, a delicate web of life shaped by respect for nature. Slovenia shows what's possible when people protect their environment. Its forests, rivers, and wildlife thrive because of a deep cultural commitment to preservation. This small country is a model for the world. Progress and nature can coexist. The beauty we've witnessed comes with a responsibility to protect these places for future generations. Each of us has a role in preserving our planet. Explore, discover, and cherish the wonders around you. Tread lightly and let nature inspire you to protect it. In saving our world, we save ourselves. The adventure of discovery is life's greatest gift and our most important legacy.